Alright, hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks again for watching another one of my videos. Today's just going to be a really quick video on how to change your air filter. Let's get to it. This is on a 2011 Toyota Camry. My engine has seen better days. It's just super messy. I'll probably do an engine detail some other day, but let's go ahead and get started. Let's get to it.
Hey guys, good morning, good evening, or good night, wherever you're watching. I'm gonna jump right in. Let me tell you, all you're gonna need here is a 10mm socket. Get an extension, a pretty long one, and then you can go with a manual ratchet or you can go with the electric ratchet. I choose electric. It makes the job a whole lot easier. You're gonna get done like in half the time when removing the these bolts from the housing. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Remove the bolts. There's only two, one in the front and one in the back. Okay, go ahead and remove these guys, and then once removed, be careful, lift the housing, don't break anything, gentle with it. Go ahead and remove your air filter. Now in the video it doesn't look as bad as it was in person. I did have a lot of debris in these crevices, so I needed it. And when replacing it, when putting in the new filter, make sure that there's a rounded corner. That rounded corner is going to go on that back left. All right, it's happened to me before where I didn't actually pay attention to that and it gets pinched, and you will never get this to close. So make sure that rounded corner is in the back left. Once that's in, let me show you guys a trick. These little notches got to go into these slots. Well, the best way to do it is I come at it with an angle, about 45-degree angle, and with your left hand keep pressure upwards. Oh yeah, there's two of them, remember guys, one in the front, one in the back. So with your left hand keeping pressure upwards, and your other hand come at it with an angle, you'll feel it pop, and that's how you know you're in, and it should sit right in. And then from here on, go ahead and just hand thread your bolts, hand turn, whichever, you know what I mean. You don't want anything cross threaded. And also guys, yeah, before I do head out, I wanted to just kind of throw it in there real quick and shout you guys out for subscribing, watching my videos. It just motivates me to continue and keep doing more. So before the video's over, I wanted to thank you guys. But here you go. This is me basically reinstalling the bolts. You want to keep pressure downwards, and then this is what I mean. The electric ratchet makes your job easier. Go ahead and zap the back one. Boom. Once it bites, that's all you need. And then I move on to the front one. Once it bites, I'm done. And there you go. There you have it. Air filter on a 2011 Camry. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.